Hey guys, Jeff with Thrive Crafted Vans, and this is our 12th van that we've done, and I get a lot of questions from people. What are some things that you do differently now than you did in the beginning? And for the most part, we haven't changed a lot, but we are always looking for better components, better materials we can use, and we found a couple that we think are absolutely the best products for this application. And this is the plumbing, the outdoor shower and the water fill. And so a lot of people will use for the water fill, and we've used in the past different types of inlets that you find. A city water fill, we've used one from SureFlow that works really well. We've used different types. And then for the shower, most people use the boxes that come, they're for RVs and they're plastic and they're not bad, but they're just not a really super high-end look. So we found a product that we think is awesome, and it's the Aquar hydrant and the Aquar washdowns. And these are for residential RVs, marine. They're really well made. They're stainless steel and brass. They are more expensive, but we think it's really the best product for this application. So first of all, the fill. So the fill is right here, and this is the Aquar RV inlet. And I will link to everything I talk about in the description. You can get, I think, pretty much all of these on Amazon or directly from Aquar. So with the fill comes this little attachment. And what it is on this side, it's got a quick connect, and on this side, a garden hose attachment. And then it has a shutoff here. So this actually has a check valve in it where the water can only flow this direction. It can't flow this direction. So all you have to do is, you do need a little, an adapter, because this is the male threads and your garden hose is going to be the male threads on this end. So you need an adapter that has female or male to male, so it's female on both sides. Because it has this shutoff valve, you can actually hook your hose on, turn the water on, and then come over to the van, put that in, and then when you're ready to fill, you just turn that and it lets the water flow in. Now in our vans, our tank is right here, and so you can just open up this and watch it fill. And when it gets near the top, you just shut this guy back off, pop it out. You'll have a little bit of water drip right here that you'll just need to wipe up. But then because this check valve is here, water can't come out. It's just a little bit of water when you disconnect it, but really awesome. So we really, really like that for the water inlet. And then for the shower, we use the Aquar washdown fixture. And then this is a shower mixer from Ambassador Marine. So it's a marine grade, really well made. We like it because it's really small. You just pull it out for the on, and then on hot and cold like this. So for the shower, they also give you this attachment. So again, this is the thing that goes into the quick connect. And this one, where the RV one only allows water to flow this direction in, this one will only allow water to flow out of it, so into the shower head. And so you can't use those interchangeably, but they're supplied with the Aquar fixture. So again, this one has garden hose thread, and so we just use an adapter that's a garden hose and then 1/2 inch male pipe thread on this end. And then this is just a handheld shower wand like you would have in your house or whatever. But we really like this one because it has an on-off switch. So all you do is you just connect this here with the quick connect. So you can turn it on, rinse down, turn it off while you lather up, and then turn it back on to rinse off. Has a few different settings. So we really like this one. So again, I'll link to all of these in the description, but we really think this is a great setup for the water fill and the shower washdown. And if you're looking to build your own van, again, I'll link to all these as well as all the other products that we use and love in the description. You can also go to our website. There's a link to our website where we have a full listing of all of our products and other DIY tips. So we'll see you in the next video.